Welcome to today's video. If you've ever watched a video on YouTube and wanted to change the caption language, this guide is for you. In just a few quick steps, I'll show you how to change the language of captions inside the YouTube app using your mobile device. Open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right corner. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Captions. Toggle the switch to turn captions on if they are not already enabled. Tap on Language just below the caption toggle. Now choose your preferred language from the list that appears. And that's it. You've successfully changed the caption language in your YouTube app. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more quick tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.